Good evening, sir. We are Team Mented. Mented is a web app for students, mentors, and recruiters. Team members are me, Saurabh Singh, Ritika Singh, and Anshul Hola. Now the abstract of our project. Mented brings the two most important sectors, which are education and industrial, together to better furnish them for a competitive job market. With skill verification, now students as well as mentors can upgrade their skills by mentoring other students, and then they will get noticed by recruiters. Students get to work with mentors on hands-on projects under these skilled mentors to thrive in this competitive market. Now, introduction. Now, wide range of potential stakeholders of our website makes it possible to advance this idea into a real website. Now, the main stakeholders are students. Our e-learning portal gives students an opportunity to connect to mentors from different parts of the world and to learn through their experiences by working on projects. Second is mentors. This portal provides mentors or the employers with an opportunity to earn an additional income by helping other fellows, other young students who are seeking for help, and recruiters. They find it hard to find the right candidates from plethora of applicants. Our portal provides recruiters the opportunity to connect with the top performing candidates and the top performing mentors.
Now, let's see the related work and the comparison between them. Now, the first site we are going to analyze is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a programming question and answering platform for enthusiast programmers. Now, but the main drawback of that is, but usually the answering process takes a lot of time, as there is no incentive for the community to answer the questions quickly. But this is where Mented comes in. The mentors or the students who solve the question are rewarded score points based on the bidding process, and those points can be used to land a meeting with a recruiter. Now, the second is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is intended to supplement the children's education by delivering curriculum materials that are either reinforce or teach in something in an entirely new way, like a new innovative way. But there is no one-on-one doubt section, or like a student can't ask a doubt to any of the Khan Academy tutors. But in the community section of our website, students can easily ask doubts and post their project ideas. The third one is LinkedIn. Job seekers may publish their CVs, and companies may advertise positions on the website. This is mostly used for professional networking. For example, it is a job finding site. But these all features are included in our website too, in the form of recruiters, where the students or mentors can connect to the recruiters and get a job interview. But there is no way to there is no community section where students or mentors or any of the users can ask doubts. Now let's see the real life applicabilities. Now, the basic question is, how will our project be helpful to various groups of peoples? Students can easily ask doubts and get help from the mentors on the website. They can directly intern under their own mentors, and after passing a particular test level, they can apply for a job for a recruiter. Employers are also looking for a new source of income to support them more efficiently. But if they join us website, they can join with the recruiters and find another job, and also sharpen their skills at the same time. They spend hours surfing on the web to find the right job. Recruiters can look into the shortlisted top candidates, employers' profile who are applied, and accept to connect with them. Like, they can set a bare minimum of the points which are required to connect with them, and they will only get those connect requests from the mentors or the students.
So coming to the process flow of our project. As we chose prototype model for our project, we started by making our prototypes of our user interfaces. And when we were satisfied with the prototyping, we moved on to making the front end of our website. After making the front end of our website, we connected it with our backend, and we used Flask framework for that. For the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After completing the backend of our website, we connected it with our database. In this case, we used SQLite 3, which comes with Flask. After connecting our website with database, we started and after finishing the development phase, we started with testing our website, and we tested it with many test cases so that we know when our website fails and where it needs improvement. Coming to the working methodology of our project, we started with project planning and management, and we made the work breakdown structures, Gantt chart and PERT chart on Project Libre. And then we moved on to SRS documentation, where we specified all our functional and non-functional requirements clearly. After documentation, we started with our modeling, where we made all the UML diagrams necessary. After designing and modeling, we moved on to the development phase of our project, which is the most important one. And after development, we did testing as we explained in our process flow. So now we will show you the implementation of our project.
Yeah. So this is the homepage for our website. Students, mentors, and recruiters can register. We have also listed some of the features of our website like gamification, skill verification, personalized learning path, chatbot, etc. If we scroll down, we can see the options for signing up and logging for all the users. And we have also listed features for each individual stakeholder here. Now, let's log in as a student. We in the registration part, we have also added a verification feature, where the email entered by the user will receive a confirmation link, and then he'll have to verify in order to log in. This is the dashboard for the student. The left-hand side contains the scoreboard with the list of the students ranked according to their points. The middle section has the community section, where the students can see the doubts and the project ideas posted by other users and as well as himself. On the right hand side, we have the upcoming meetings tab. In this tab, he can see the upcoming meetings with his recruiters or his mentors.
Now, one of the important features of our website is adding doubt. A user can easily add doubt to our website, which will be shown to all the users who are present on the website. On the community section, we'll show you how we are adding a doubt. We'll write a title of project, and we'll give a short description, which will attract the other users to come work with us. We'll write a detailed description for the needs, user needs, what we want, and we'll provide the technologies we want to work with. This will help the other fellows to come work with us, and we are going to pay a particular amount. We'll enter the amount and we'll submit. After submitting, this will be shown to all the users who are connected to our website on the community page. Now we'll log in by another user, and we'll see how the bidding process works.
So for example, if Ritika logs in using her credentials, she'll be able to see the doubt posted by other users on her community page.
Now we'll see that the doubt has been posted in the community section. Now Ritika can view doubt, and after seeing the doubt, she first analyzes whether she wants to work with her or not. And after finalizing, she'll leave a comment which will help Anshul to decide who wants to work with, and she'll write the expected amount she wants after working on this project. And after submitting, this will be shown on the Anshul's profile that Ritika has bidded on his issue, and after that we'll see how Anshul proceeds with that. Now we'll log in as Anshul again. Now, after logging in the activity section, we see all the doubts which have been posted. We just posted an OS project, and we see that the project is in pending part. And after clicking on the question, Anshul can see all the users who have been bidded on his issue or on his project. Now, after seeing various users who have been posted, he can either assign or leave if he wants to work with. Now, if he assigns Ritika, he will click on assign, and after going on activity section, we'll see that it is turned to blue, that is assigned. Now, after if the issue has been solved, the user can the Anshul can click on issue solved, or if the issue hasn't been solved, he can delete the question. Now, if the issue has been solved, the Anshul has to pay the promised amount which Ritika has said while bidding for his doubt. Now, Anshul will pay a particular amount which will be added to the Ritika score, and it will be reflected on the scoreboard on the community section. Now we'll go to the next part of our website.
Now coming to the other main functionality of our website, the connect page. So here all the recruiters who have registered with us will be visible, but we have also added a condition where the recruiters can set a bare minimum of points which the students must have in order to connect with them, so that they can connect with the best candidates. So for example, if Anshul wants to connect with a recruiter, he can send a connection request, which will be visible in the notification section of the recruiter's profile. So now we
we'll
can
log in
log in as a
recruiter.
recruiter.
We have added few recruiters in our website, and we'll log in as the one Anshul applied to work with, and we'll see the notification on the recruiter part.
So now this is the main dashboard of a recruiter, which will open when a recruiter logs in. So here he will be able to see all his upcoming meetings, and the meetings which are scheduled for that day will be visible here. So coming to the notification section, as Anshul sent a connection request to the recruiter, so his request will be visible here, and the recruiter can either choose to connect or ignore his request. For example, if he wants to set up a meeting with Anshul, he can do so by connecting, and then he has to assign a meeting number, and then he can schedule the date and time of the meeting. And after that, it will be visible in his meetings for that day, and he can directly join a Zoom meeting with Anshul by clicking here, and then he will be redirected to a Zoom call.
Now we'll go back to Anshul's profile. We'll see when a recruiter accepts his meeting and give a time, it will be reflected on the upcoming meeting part on Anshul's profile. Now,
as we can see, the meetings for the recruiters who have agreed to connect with Anshul and set up a meeting with him. So Anshul will be notified about the timings of his meeting here in his upcoming meeting section. And he can also join the same Zoom meeting directly from his community section.
now we have added a feature that if a user clicks on joins the meeting, a mail will be sent on the recruiter's email ID, which they have given, and then recruiter can join if they forgot. I will go to the scoreboard page.
Now, this is the complete scoreboard page listing all the students who are registered on the website. The scoreboard is particularly helpful for the mentors and recruiters, as they can get a basic idea about the students' skills by looking at their points and decide whether to accept them as an intern or not. And also, sir, last time you asked us to make this scoreboard part more interactive. Now we have added a feature: if the student or the recruiter clicks on the profile picture of the student, they can directly redirect it to the profile section.
Okay, now
this is
the profile section of a user. While registering for our website, a user gives the following information, which will be shown to the profile section. The user can link his social profiles like LinkedIn and GitHub on this website. And coming down, we'll see a user can even add projects, certificates, or resume, which will be visible to all the users if they see this user's profile. For example, if we add a project We'll add a title and give a short description and add a link which will, if the other user clicks on it, he can see the profile of the project. Now, similarly, a user can add certificates as well as resume.
Coming to another important functionality of our website, a student can get his skills verified by giving skill assessment test. So for example, if a student wants to get his JavaScript skills verified, he can select that skill and then he can start giving his test.
Like the students can verify a lot of skills like JavaScript, C++, Python, etc. And as a future scope, we can allow other organizations to use our website as a testing platform for their employees or their students.
After submitting the test, the result analysis of the student based on his performance will be displayed. And as you told to compare the result of the different students on our website, we did this in the form of a graph where the user's score will be plotted on the basis of the scores of other users, like beginner, intermediate, or so. Also, if a user performs well, he will be able to win scratch cards and vouchers like this. So he can avail these from here. We have also added a chatbot.
Yeah, now the next feature of our website, a chatbot. It is designed to simulate conversation between human users. So this chatbot will help new users to get details about our website. And if they want to search basic information, this chatbot will help with that. Now we'll go to the mentor site of our project. We'll log in as a mentor.
This is the dashboard for the mentors. This is pretty similar to the student dashboard. Here we have the mentor scoreboard on the left-hand side, and the middle part has the community section for the mentors and students, where they can post their doubts, etc. And on the right-hand side, we have the upcoming meetings of the recruiter with of the mentor with a recruiter or a fellow student. Now in the projects tab, the mentors can add a project if he wants to work on and hire student as an intern for the project to help them out in the workflow. In the activities part, the mentor can assign a project to a student or a fellow mentor too. And in the connect part, the mentor can connect to various recruiters on our website. And also we have listed the top performing students on the website, which a mentor would like to take it as in an intern for them. Now, if the mentor sends a connect request to any of the recruiters, they will get a notification.
The profile page of a mentor, it is similar to the profile page of a student. A mentor can add projects, add certificates or resume, which will be visible to other recruiters if they want to see mentor's profile, which will help mentors to get their job. That's all for our project. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.